Title: The Little Owl and the Puppy. A playful adventure once upon a time. In a lush forest, filled with tall trees and chirping birds, there lived a curious little owl named Kadabran. Kadabran loved to explore the forest and discover new things. One sunny day, while flying around, Kadabran spotted a playful puppy running around in a meadow. Intrigued by the puppy's energy and enthusiasm, Kadabran decided to fly down and say hello. At first, the puppy and the owl unsure of what to make of this unexpected encounter. But soon their curiosity got the better of them, and they started playing together. The puppy would chase after Kadabran as he flew around, and Kadabran would swoop down and playfully peck at the puppy's tail. They laughed and frolicked in the meadow, enjoying each other's company. As the sun began to set, Kadabran and the puppy realized that they had strayed far from their homes. They decided to stick together and find their way back. As they wandered through the forest, they stumbled upon a dark cave hidden behind a cluster of bushes. Intrigued by the mystery of the cave, Kadabran and the puppy decided to explore it together. Inside the cave, they found sparkling crystals that glowed in the dim light, creating a magical atmosphere. The puppy's tail wagged with excitement, and Kadabran's eyes widened in wonder. They ventured deeper into the cave, discovering hidden chambers and secret passageways. The puppy's keen sense of smell helped them navigate through the darkness, while Kadabran's sharp eyes spotted hidden treasures along the way. As they explored the cave, Kadabran and the puppy forged a strong bond of friendship. They relied on each other's strengths and supported each other through challenges. Together, they overcame obstacles and uncovered the mysteries of the cave, growing closer with each passing moment. Eventually, they emerged from the cave, bathed in the warm glow of the setting sun. Kadabran and the puppy looked at each other with a newfound sense of camaraderie and gratitude. They knew that their playful adventure had brought them closer together and created memories that would last a lifetime. And so, the little owl, Kadabran, and the puppy continued their journey through the forest, exploring new places and making new friends. Along the way, their playful spirit and sense of adventure bound them together in a special bond that would never be broken. The end.